Now we will discuss about heart block. Heart block or conduction block may occur at any level in the conductive system of the heart. What is heart block? Heart block is defined as defect in either initiation or conduction of cardiac impulse. What is the site of heart block? The site may be SA node, AV node, bundle of His, branches of bundle of His. What are the types of heart block? Heart block are of different types such as SA block, atrioventricular block. Atrioventricular block is of three types. First degree atrioventricular block, second degree AV block. It is of two types, Mobitz type 1 but Wenckebach phenomenon, Mobitz type 2, and a complete heart block or third degree heart block. And bundle branch block. It may be right bundle branch block, left bundle branch block. What is hemi block? It means when there is block involving one of the fascicle of left bundle branch. It is diagnosed by seeing the axis deviation in ECG. When there is left axis deviation, it is called left anterior fascicular block. When there is right axis deviation, it is called left posterior hemi block. So left axis deviation indicates left anterior hemi block, right axis deviation indicates left posterior hemi block. There may be more block, either 2 or 3. In that case, it is called bifascicular or trifascicular block. Now SA block, sinoatrial block. ECG criteria: absence of one PQRST complex. Absence of one PQRST complex, PP or RR is double than the next PP or RR. What are the differential diagnosis? As follows: sinus arrest, sinus stand still, that is SA block. How to differentiate between these two? In sinus arrest, PP or RR is not exactly the double of the next heartbeat, next normal beat. What are the causes of SA block? As follows: degenerative in elderly, ischemic heart disease involving SA node, drugs, digoxin, increased vagal tone, may present like sick sinus syndrome. Now, how to diagnose SA block? As follows: clinically drop beat and no heart sound at the time of drop beat. That is clinically drop beat and no heart sound at the time of drop beat. ECG: complete absence of one complex, PQRST. Holter monitoring may show the block. What is the treatment of SA block? No treatment if asymptomatic. Withdraw the offensive drug if any. If any syncopal attack or sick sinus syndrome, permanent pacemaker should be given. What is sick sinus syndrome? It is a dysfunction of SA node characterized by attacks of sinus bradycardia, sinus arrest, or junctional rhythm, which may lead to dizziness or syncope, followed by episodes of paroxysmal tachycardia. Episodes of paroxysmal tachycardia, so-called tachybrady syndrome. So it is called tachybrady syndrome. What are the causes of sick sinus syndrome? It is due to fibrosis, degenerative changes, or ischemia of the sinoatrial node. Probable causes are elderly due to degeneration, ischemic heart disease, drug due to digoxin, cardiomyopathy, rheumatic heart disease, idiopathic in many cases. Now, what are the presentation of sick sinus syndrome? Dizziness, syncope, palpitation. Why bradycardia or tachycardia occurs in sick sinus syndrome? Bradycardia may be due to sinus bradycardia, SA block or arrest, junctional bradycardia. Tachycardia may be due to atrial fibrillation. Tachycardia may be due to atrial fibrillation or atrial flutter or paroxysmal atrial tachycardia. How would you diagnose sick sinus syndrome? By Holter monitoring. Single ECG may sometimes be normal. What is the treatment of sick sinus syndrome? If asymptomatic, no specific therapy. If symptomatic, permanent pacemaker. It does not improve prognosis. Antiarrhythmic drugs may be required. Now we will discuss about first degree AV block. ECG criteria: PR interval is prolonged, more than 0.22 second. Normal PR interval is between 0.1 to 0.2 second. So when PR interval is more than 0.22 second, then first degree heart block will occur. QRS normal, rhythm normal. Here is the ECG of first degree heart block. Now, what are the causes of first degree AB block? The causes are normally in athlete due to increased vagal tone, drugs, digitalis toxicity, acute myocardial infarction common in inferior MI, acute rheumatic carditis in elderly due to atherosclerosis, hyperkalemia. What are the clinical features of first degree AB block? Usually asymptomatic. What is the treatment of first degree AB block? No specific treatment is necessary. Treatment of the primary cause should be done. Markedly prolonged PR interval may progress to Wenckebach's atrioventricular heart block. So markedly prolonged PR interval may progress to Wenckebach's atrioventricular heart block. Now, second degree AB block. Second degree AB block may be of two types: Mobitz type 1, another name Wenckebach's phenomenon, Mobitz type 2. Mobitz type 1 or Wenckebach's phenomenon ECG criteria is progressive lengthening of PR interval followed by absent QRS complex. So 1P is not followed by a QRS complex. PP constant, RR irregular. Progressive shortening of RR interval until block occurs. What is the site of block in Mobitz type 1 AB block? The block is in the higher area of AB node. So what is the site of block in Mobitz type 1 AB block? The block is in the higher area of AB node, proximal to bundle of His. Here is the ECG of second degree heart block. Here we are seeing progressive PR prolongation with drop beat. Now, what are the causes of Wenckebach's phenomenon? As follows. Causes are physiological in athlete during rest, sleep due to increased vagal tone, drugs due to digoxin toxicity, acute myocardial infarction, commonly inferior MI. What are the features of Mobitz type 1 AB block? Is usually asymptomatic, pulse is irregular, drop beat occurs. How to treat Mobitz type 1 AB block? No treatment is necessary. Primary cause should be treated. What is the prognosis of Wenckebach's phenomenon? It is a benign condition. It is a benign condition. Prognosis is good. Here is the ECG of 2:1 block, 2:1 heart block, second degree heart block with 2:1 block. Here 1P is conducted but another P is not conducted. Now we will discuss about Mobitz type 2 AB block. ECG criteria. Some P waves are not followed by QRS complexes. PR interval is constant. PR interval is constant. Also PP interval constant. QRS wide. In 2:1 AB block, alternate P wave is conducted. It may be 3:1, 4:1. This type of AB block is rare and more severe. It is generally a sign of severe conduction system disease. So, Mobitz type 2 is a sign of severe conduction system disease. What is the prognosis? It is more serious than Mobitz type 1. There may be complete heart block, Stokes-Adams syndrome, heart failure. What is the site of lesion? Mobitz type 2 AB block, lower area in the AB junction, lower area in the AB junction distal to the bundle of His. What are the causes of Mobitz type 2 AB block? It is commonly seen in anterior myocardial infarction. So Mobitz type 2 AB block is commonly seen in anterior myocardial infarction, not in digoxin toxicity. So Mobitz type 2 AB block is commonly seen in anterior myocardial infarction, not in digoxin toxicity. What is the treatment of Mobitz type 2? The treatment, if associated with inferior MI, if asymptomatic, close monitoring of follow-up. If symptomatic, injection atropine 6.6 mg IV. If fails, temporary pacemaker. Majority will resolve in 7 to 10 days. 7 to 10 days, majority will be resolved. If associated with anterior MI, temporary pacing followed by permanent pacemaker is required. If associated with anterior MI, temporary pacing followed by permanent pacemaker is required because complete heart block may develop. Now, complete heart block or third degree heart block. ECG criteria. Rate is supposed here. atrial rate is 80 beat per minute, PP interval, ventricular rate 35 beat per minute, RR interval. PP interval constant, PP interval is constant, PP interval is constant, no relationship between P wave and QRS complex, PR looks variable active. Remember the following points. Ventricular activity is maintained by junctional or ventricular escape rhythm. Ventricular activity is maintained by junctional or ventricular escape rhythm. Narrow complex escape rhythm. Narrow complex escape rhythm. This is of functional origin, more proximally in the AV node or in bundle of His. QRS is narrow, less than 0.12 second, and ventricular rate is high, 50 to 60 per minute. The patient may be asymptomatic. Wide complex escape rhythm, wide complex escape rhythm, wide complex escape rhythm. This is of ventricular origin. Distally in the His Purkinje system, QRS complex is wide, more than 0.12 second, and ventricular rate is slow, 15 to 40 beat per minute, 15 to 40 beat per minute. The patient may be symptomatic, and in most cases that is dizziness, syncope, or blackouts. Now, what is escape rhythm? When there is complete dissociation between atria and ventricles, no pulse is transmitted from atria to the ventricle. In this case, ventricular activity is maintained by pacemaker from other side, from like AV junctional or ventricular. This is called escape rhythm. This is called escape rhythm. It acts as safety net, otherwise cardiac arrest occurs. What are the causes of complete heart block? Commonest cause is acute complete heart block due to acute myocardial infarction, commonly inferior. Chronic complete heart block, degenerative fibrosis and calcification of distal His Purkinje system, Lebb's disease, degenerative fibrosis of proximal His Purkinje conducting system, Lenegret's disease. Other causes of complete heart block: cardiomyopathy, myocarditis, drugs, digoxin, beta blocker, amiodarone. Cardiac surgery, aortic valve replacement, VSD repair, CAVG. Infiltrative disease, sarcoidosis, amyloidosis, hemochromatosis. Infection, carditis, Chagas disease, Lyme disease. Collagen disease, SLE, rheumatoid arthritis. Congenital complete heart block. It is common in child of mother with SLE. What is congenital complete heart block? Congenital complete heart block, it is common in child of mother with SLE due to transplacental transfer of anti-Rho antibody. Anti-Rho antibody due to transplacental transfer of anti-Rho antibody, that is SSA. Now, what are the signs of complete heart block? Pulse, usually bradycardia, 20 to 40 beats per minute, less than 40 beats per minute, high volume, and does not increase by exercise or injection atropine. BP high systolic, normal diastolic, high pulse pressure. Neck vein cannon waves. Neck vein cannon waves, large a wave may be present. Heart sounds, variable intensity of first heart sound, variable intensity of first heart sound, variable intensity of first heart sound. Murmur, systolic flow murmur due to increased stroke volume. Why is there variable intensity of first heart sound and systolic flow murmur? Why is there variable intensity of first heart sound and systolic flow murmur? Variable intensity of first heart sound is due to loss of AV synchrony. Systolic flow murmur is due to increased stroke volume. What is the mechanism of cannon wave? When the atria contracts against a closed tricuspid valve, backward pressure produces the cannon wave. If the pulse rate is high, what is the likely cause of complete heart block? Congenital pulse rate is usually high in congenital complete heart block. It does not require treatment. If the block occurs more proximally in the AV node, narrow complex escape rhythm. Now, what are the presentations of complete heart block? The presentations are dizziness, blackout, or sudden loss of consciousness without warning, or syncope. Stokes-Adams attack. How to treat complete heart block? If the patient is symptomatic, permanent pacemaker should be given. What is Stokes-Adams attack? It is the brief attack of syncope or blackout in a patient with complete heart block due to ventricular asystole. Occurs due to patient with complete heart block, the brief attack of syncope and blood. blackout. Stokes-Adams attack may also occur in Mobis type 2 heart block, ventricular tachycardia, or fibrillation, sinoatrial disease. What are the clinical features of Stokes-Adams attack? Syncope or blackout with or without preceding dizziness. Syncope or blackout with or without preceding dizziness. During attack, patient is unconscious, looks like pale, and may have convulsion. If asystole persists, there may be cyanosis, pulse is absent, pupil is fixed and dilated, incontinence of urine, plantar extensor. Usually consciousness recovers rapidly followed by flushing. How to treat Stokes-Adams attack? Permanent pacemaker even after a single syncopal attack. During attack, a blow over the cardiac apex or CPR should be given. During attack, a blow over the cardiac apex or CPR should be done. Now we will discuss about atrioventricular dissociation. Definition: atrioventricular dissociation is a type of arrhythmia in which atria and ventricles are activated and contract independently. What are the sites of pacemaker in atrioventricular dissociation? There are two pacemakers in AB dissociation, one from SA node or atria that controls atrial activation, another from AB junction or ventricle that controls ventricular activation. What are the causes of AB dissociation? Acute myocardial infarction, digitalis toxicity, acute rheumatic carditis, myocarditis due to any cause, occasionally normal people. AB dissociation is a minor transient arrhythmia. Now, what is the ECG changes in AB dissociation? ECG changes in AB dissociation: variable PR interval, progressive shortening of PR is suspicious. P may be hidden in T wave, and QRS or P may appear after QRS. Ventricular rate is same like atrial rate or slightly high. How to differentiate between complete heart block with AB dissociation? How can you differentiate between complete heart block with AB dissociation? Complete heart block may be confused with AB dissociation. To differentiate between these, if P waves are more than QRS, it is highly suggestive of complete heart block or partial heart block. If QRS are more than P wave, it is highly suggestive of AB dissociation. If QRS are more than P wave, it is highly suggestive of atrioventricular dissociation. Also, to differentiate AB dissociation from complete heart block, in AB dissociation, ventricular rate is same or slightly higher than the atrial rate. In complete heart block, there is total AB block, so ventricular rate is much slower than atrial rate.